Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful inspirational kit that is also used by my guest DT Leonie. I will put her link down below to her channel, also to the beautiful journal that she created. So let's start and dig in so I can share with you the beautiful elements that will be in this inspirational kit. First of all, this beautiful cluster of mulberry flowers, and these four are from, actually more of four, 2, 4, 6. These six pieces are from the Wild Orchid Crafts collection, and this one is from my own stash. So you can see the beautiful quality there of the roses. Hoping it will focus. Yeah, so that's for that one. Then I have this beautiful piece of lace, and I must say this is also a vintage piece, and it's very high quality lace. You can feel the beautiful structure, and you can see it as well. It has such a beautiful element there to cut up in different pieces to use on your journals, and yeah, it's just such a beautiful piece. Just love that one as well. Then again, a vintage piece, quite a large one as well. It's large enough to create a cover for a fabric journal. Has a beautiful trim there on the sides, and print itself, or the design themselves on the front there, is also so beautiful. Just love that. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about the noise. I don't know if you could hear it as much, but the neighbors were busy, so I paused it, but now I'm back. This beautiful doily here is also quite a large piece as well. Create pockets with, yeah, tuck spots. Yeah, it's just a beautiful, beautiful element to add on. Then a super dainty piece here. Just love the elements there of the dangly pieces. A very delicate piece again. Battenberg piece. Love that. So then two pieces of this one, beautiful applique, and I don't know if the camera picks it up right, but it's sort of a peachy salmon color, very, yeah, it's in between of those colors. I just love that one. Again, these beautiful pieces of appliques as well. Also vintage pieces. You get two of these as well. Also the peachy pink color, very light one. Beautiful elements there. And this is the last one. You also get two pieces of those, which is this one. I love that. Then a paper doily that I will be adding again to the kids, and a word banner with the word cozy, because that's the theme as well of this paper collection, the Mintay paper collection. So that's for that. Then I also have a bag filled with beautiful trinket pieces. Yeah, just a small collection of beautiful elements there. I will put that in a picture. You can see that as well right now. So then I have some different elements here, like a beautiful doily So you can see it's a very intricate one. Absolutely stunning. You get this one as well. And this one with a beautiful, yeah, I just love the layering there of the elements. And those ones. And then you get this one as well. I will try to put detailed photos along with this video so you can see the details of the doilies. And this one. And then I have some vinyl doilies, which are inspired again by the vintage ones. You can see this one with a beautiful element there in the middle. And this one has a slightly different pattern there in the middle. Very easy to cut up, to use for dyeing papers with. And also if you use alcohol markers or alcohol inks, it's very easy to put them to the beautiful, to give them a beautiful color. This is again a piece which is, yeah, I just love this color. Absolutely stunning color. And that's for that. Then I'll share with you the beautiful laces and trims here. This is the first set. So you can see it's quite a variety of different elements there. This is the seam binding. This is a wide one. So it's, yeah, this one has a scallop edge. And this one is sort of lace crocheted one. So that's for this color. Then I have quite a selection of the pink ones. This one is a vintage. Like so. And this one. Beautiful sort of organza ribbon there. Beautiful flower trim. And this beautiful fluffy fiber, all again in the peachy pink color. That's for that. Then I have the, let me put this one first, the white selection. It gives you quite a large piece of scale of different trims there and laces. That's what I love about the kits. You get a complete package. This is this one, and I just love that beautiful element there, the details of the colors. This one. And then for the more vintage styles and also the vintage laces, which are all 3 of those. Just a beautiful element there. Then for the hand crocheted pieces from Patricia. Just love these elements. Beautiful flower and a mini doily there. And for the last vintage pieces are these two. Beautiful pattern there. So then we'll go to the papers. Again, there's a beautiful video on the unboxing from Leonie, so I'll put the link down below. But this is the first one. And this is the back that has also all those windows and possibility to create like cards, stamps, all different elements. Our projects are possible with those. Then you get this one, and this is the front. Beautiful text there, beautiful motive. I mean the structure, really cute. Then this one. And this is the back. Again, a beautiful sort of mixed media look there. Great for layouts. Then there's this one. This is the back. Again, such a variety of beautiful colors there and structures that are in the paper. This one here, very fall themed colors. Just love this print. That's that one. And then there's two more to go. This is the back. And this is the front. You can see the cute doggy there. That one. And this is a card-apart piece or fussy cut piece from the collection. And this is the name of the collection, Cosy Evening by Mintay. And underneath there is the code. But I just love these papers. And the same thing goes for then from the 12 by 12 papers, which is this one. The beautiful back there. And this one. Super cute elements. This is the back. I just love. You can see the beautiful structure there of the coating. I just love this paper. Super beautiful. And then we have this one, which is the front. This is the cluster. And this is the back. Can you see the beautiful details there? Absolutely stunning. I just love these papers. And this one has this beautiful cluster. And underneath you have the doggy again with the beautiful cluster. And then if you turn it around, you can see the beautiful structure there. Really perfect for yeah, all kinds of layouts that you would like to create. Then we have this one. This is the other side. And then last is this one. All these beautiful elements there. That's that. And the back has the frames, perfect for journaling cards. And all different styles there. Again, the collection, Cosy Evening, and the code there on the side. So I'm hoping you have enjoyed watching the video, and if you're interested, then again, please contact me on my email, my Instagram, or on the Facebook. Send me a private message, and yeah, and then I will contact you on all the information. And of course, I will send it off as soon as I receive all your information and the payment, of course. I wish you a great day, and I hope to see you the next time on my next video. Bye bye.